guys, today I will be showing you Easter baskets that I will be making with Jack. So I will be making an Easter basket for my niece. This is a smaller basket that I picked for her. And in this I'm just going to include the Reese's and Kit Kat. She loves those candy. And I also bought this pink color shred paper that I'm going to line my basket with. And of course traditional Easter Pips marshmallows, some more Reese's white chocolate candy, another Reese's candy, and another Cadbury Easter egg. So I'm gonna fill it up with those. And here I'm making a basket for Jack. So I picked up, he loves Reese's as well. So I picked up this peanut butter cups, yellow Pips, and M&M's. And I will line it with the purple shredded paper. So, okay.
All right, and I'm making Easter baskets for my daughters. And each one's a different color basket. We have blue and then we have orange. And that's because of the school they go to. And then each basket's going to have Jelly Bellies, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, a chocolate egg, the Cadbury eggs, Skittles, and we're going to put on the bottom, we're going to put this shredded paper, which is green. And that's going to be on the bottom. Both baskets are identical.
And one more, guys. Today we decided to pick this pink color ribbon to decorate our baskets once we finish wrapping them up with cellophane. So we're gonna just assemble those baskets, we're gonna arrange our items, and then we'll show you the finished product. So this is how I arranged my baskets. I placed larger Reese's chocolate at the back, and then small marshmallow Pips, in this case bunnies, in the front, and then cute Easter egg and another small Reese's chocolate. And then for this one it was pretty simple, so all the items just fitted one after another. So I think this looks great. And as for these baskets, we arranged them like this. So we placed items all around so you can see them. And this one is exactly the same. So now I'm just gonna wrap this up with the clear cellophane. This is the finished look of our baskets. As you can see, they turned out very pretty. So I just wrapped them up with the clear cellophane, and I put my ribbon. So a very simple ribbon technique, as you can see. So yeah, this is our Easter baskets, and I hope this video helped someone to get inspiration for making their own Easter baskets. So please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.